Should you or should you not be adding extra words in write from dictation in PTE? This debate and this question has been going on since so many years, and we have always stuck to our stance that you should not be adding extra words in write from dictation. In fact, last year itself, PTE did a live webinar on Facebook. It was a Facebook live session in which they clearly mentioned two things. Number one, do not try the one-line strategy in read aloud. It's something really stupid and you should avoid it. What you're risking by doing the one-line strategy in read aloud is you're risking your reading marks. Probably if you're really lucky, yes, you might end up getting 65 plus in reading or 79 plus also sometimes. But why would you want to risk it? The PT test itself is so expensive. Similarly, these days, so many students have been getting consistently lower scores in write from dictation, and mainly because of that, the writing score goes down. So should you add extra words? According to me, it's a strict no. Instead of adding extra words in write from dictation, what you should be focusing on is on clearing your fundamentals of grammar, which mainly includes the rule of subject-verb agreement. The rule is very simple. Make sure you save this video and share it with as many people as possible. Whenever the noun is plural, the verb which follows will be plural and will be without s. And whenever the noun is singular, the verb after that will also be singular, but it will end with s. So if the noun ends with s, the verb ends without s, and vice versa. For example, students, ending with s, right? Students sit on the bench. A student sits on the bench. So if it's students, it will be sit. If it is a student, it will be sits. It's always the opposite. Hope you enjoyed the video. For more such tips and strategies, make sure you follow us. If you need PT, IELTS or NAATI coaching, our Easter sale is going on. You can contact us on any of the given numbers in the comment section, and we will help you achieve those very crucial points with your PT, NAATI or IELTS tests as well. I'm Malcolm from A1 Australia. Good luck.